Hey everyone, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're searching for the best folding mobility scooter in 2025, whether it's for travel, cruising through airports, or saving space at home, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down 6 of the top folding mobility scooters, each winning in its own category, whether you're after a budget-friendly option, a lightweight design, speed, durability, or advanced features. Now, make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video if you want to see full specifications for each model and a hidden message that unlocks a special discount code exclusive to the viewers of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment on any video for more mobility tips, reviews, and for a chance to win a free mobility scooter. Let's get started. Starting off first with the best overall folding mobility scooter, we have the Buzzaround carry-on model GB120 by Golden Technologies, one of the most trusted name brands in mobility. The Buzzaround carry-on offers a perfect mix of portability, durability, and range. It has a superior 4-inch ground clearance, making it ideal for curbs and uneven terrain. What really sets it apart is how easy it is to fold into a car trunk. Unlike most folding scooters that require you to deadlift 50 pounds or more, the GB120 model folds flat, tilts against your bumper, and rolls right into the trunk using convenient handles along the frame. Despite all of these features, it's actually more affordable than every scooter on this video except for one. The Buzzaround carry-on can carry up to 300 pounds, can travel up to 14 miles on a full charge, and it has one of the most comfortable seats out of any other scooter in this video. We're not going to mention pricing in this video because prices change, and you can get access to exclusive pricing that you won't find online by calling the number below. Something else I want to point out is that most of our mobility scooters come with a 1-year in-home repair plan for free, regardless of where you're located. We have several stores, but our service network extends far into every city and every state within the continental USA. Now moving on, we're going to talk about the scooter with the best looking design, and that's the GOGO Super Portable by Pride Mobility, also one of the most trusted name brands in mobility. The GOGO Super Portable is all about modern, sporty style with sleek curves and low-profile LED light strips. Now, if I'm being honest, this model is brand new, so while it's built by Pride Mobility, the most trusted name brand, I can't really speak to its long-term durability just yet. Now, I am a technician, and I can tell you it looks like it's built with the same quality you would expect from any other Pride Mobility product. This honesty extends on to our non-commissioned sales team, by the way. If you need advice, give us a call. Our sales experts are going to give you advice on which model is going to fit your budget and your needs best. By the way, folks, before we get any further, I just want to mention that we do have a free product catalog that we can mail to you if you want to learn more about our products. All you have to do is go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of the page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also just call our non-commissioned sales team, let them know you want a free catalog, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you by phone. Next on the list, we're going to talk about the EV Rider Transport Plus, which is the most affordable option, and it provides great value. It's made by EV Rider. They're a very trusted name brand in mobility. They're right down the street from our headquarters. They build high-quality scooters and offer even better customer support. I truly love working with their family-owned and operated team out of Southwest Florida. They're always there for us when our customers need parts or warranty support. The Transport Plus supports up to 250 pounds and can travel anywhere from 10 to 15 miles on a full battery. It has a ground clearance of 2.36 inches and the seat and a unique design on the frame which actually has anti-tip wheels on the side. So it's very stable, yet the front 2 wheels are very close together, so you're going to get an excellent turning radius with this model. Next on the list, we're going to talk about the best lightweight option, and that is the GOGO Carbon by Pride Mobility. The GOGO Carbon is ultralight, but also ultra tough with its carbon fiber frame. It's perfect for surviving airline crew mishandling, which, if I'm being honest, happens quite a bit. It features a high-tech digital dash with diagnostic features and an NFC anti-theft ignition. No cheap universal keys that you can buy anywhere online. Now, the GOGO Carbon can support up to 300 pounds, and the total weight without the battery is 35 pounds, making it the lightest option out there. With that being said, everything about this scooter is a bit smaller, so if you're looking for something with a really wide seat and extra back support, this might not be the model for you. Now we have one more model which is designed specifically for those that have the need for speed, and that is the Triaxe Sport, the fastest folding mobility scooter out there, but it's not for everyone. With a powerful motor, bigger wheels, and a 350-pound capacity, it's built for confident users who can handle the speed. It's heavier, but that's the trade-off for performance. It can support up to 350 pounds and has a very wide, comfortable seat. It does have full suspension and a light kit, and again, what makes it unique is the fact that it can go up to 12 miles per hour. On a full charge, the battery can last up to 35 miles. Personally, I think this is an awesome little scooter, but that being said, it's not for everyone, especially if you have issues with balance. Last but not least, we're going to talk about the ATTO folding mobility scooter by Moving Life. The ATTO offers amazing legroom, but the real magic is in its storage abilities. When folded, the armrests hide away into the backrest assembly. There's no need to remove them like other models. It folds compact enough to fit in airline overhead bins and splits into 2 lightweight pieces, which makes it very easy to store in a trunk. The ATTO folding scooter can support up to 265 pounds, can travel up to 12.5 miles on a full charge, and is made out of a lightweight aluminum that is very durable. Now, those are the top folding mobility scooters of 2025 in Q2. Each has its own strengths, so if you're unsure which is right for you, call Mobility Direct with the number below. We offer lifetime tech support and real honest advice. Don't forget to subscribe, request your free catalog, and join our monthly giveaway by leaving a comment on any video. Make sure to drop any questions you have in the comments. I reply personally. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, stay mobile, my friends.
How's that feel?
It's yours.
Oh man, thank you so much.
Ricky, thank you for just being a good person and, you know, putting God first. And that's what we do, man. We just bless people that are subscribed to us, and
some beautiful weather out. Make sure you get out and enjoy it, man.
I heard you're using this wheelchair right now, and it's kind of tough.
I don't know how to thank you.
Hey, you're very welcome.
Oh, thank you so much.